How to get divorced if you're broke. Number one, get a fee waiver. It's a form FW001 and 003. Fill out that form, submit it with your petition package, which is FL110, FL100, and ADR form 11.17 if it's in San Francisco. Check local rules for additional forms. When you fill out the fee waiver form, everything is confidential. So whatever you disclose in that form, including your bank accounts, the other side will not be able to get access to. So you're signing this form under penalty of perjury, and once the clerk approves, I never seen the clerk not approving it, the fee, $435 for filing for divorce, is waived, and all other fees are waived, which is typically, if you file a request for order, is $60, and then additional reporter fee, $30. So each time is waived $90. So that's number one. Number two, get online resources. Every California Superior Court website of family court has self-help center, and it has step-by-step how to file for divorce. I created a free course on YouTube, how to get divorced. You can look it up as well on this channel. If you go through the website, for example, Superior Court, you follow the steps, and the steps would be get a fee waiver, file the divorce petition package, serve your spouse. You don't have to pay a professional process server. It can be anyone above 18 who can serve your spouse. It cannot be you. It has to be someone else. And that person would need to fill out a form, proof of service form, FL115, and fill out all the information where the other spouse was served, what time, who served, and also sign under penalty of perjury. So once that's started, you already have a case number, you haven't spent any money to file for divorce and serve your spouse. So now what? There are so many options. You can find a pro bono attorney or pro bono mediation. In San Francisco, there's community mediation service that you can use for if your spouse is willing to cooperate to mediate this, and then prepare an agreement and judgment package and submit it. Your spouse doesn't even need to file a response, FL120. It can be default with an agreement, meaning you file, serve, then you need to provide your financial disclosures, and then you have an agreement. If this case has absolutely no money and it's under 5 years, and nobody seeks spousal support, there is no real estate, no significant debts, no significant assets, I have a video, very detailed video, what is summary dissolution. It's basically filling out one form, and it will help to not fill out all other forms. It's still the same process, but you save on serving the spouse because the spouse will sign that petition package. You still have to do the financial disclosures though. So watch that summary dissolution video so you know if that applies to you. There are so many tools in terms of uncontested divorce. There is Hello Divorce, there is another website, Bliss Divorce. There are so many divorce related, but they cost money. So if you don't have that money, I would suggest to find on Superior Court website format how to fill out the judgment paperwork and the agreement. Your spouse, if he or she filed the response, they don't need to notarize their signature on the agreement. If they did not file a response, they would need to notarize their signature on a marital settlement agreement. I always suggest to have that agreement because it will include all the terms in case you're broke and you don't want the debt from your spouse to be yours or vice versa. You want to protect your spouse or you want to split the debt. That needs to be spelled out. So we talked about the petition package, FL100, 110. You have children or child, it's FL 105 that is attached to FL 100, and then additional forms ADR, very easy form 1117. Then file it with the court, serve your spouse, negotiate the case, and finalize the divorce by preparing the whole divorce package. I think that summarizes the whole process, how to do it if you don't have money. So if you have any questions, check out my channel. I have lots of videos about how to divorce, my YouTube course, how to divorce as well. And then if you have other questions, I will see you in my next consultation. Bye.